Vietnam has quickly become one of the most exciting international destinations for Indian travelers. In this video, GlobeVibe presents a Vietnam travel guide specially created for Indian travelers, covering important information such as the approximate travel cost from India, the best time to visit, visa requirements for Indian citizens, and the most beautiful destinations to explore across the country. Vietnam is known for its dramatic limestone landscapes, vibrant cities, rich cultural heritage, and beautiful coastlines. The iconic islands of Halong Bay, the historic charm of Hanoi, the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An, the beaches of Da Nang, and the dynamic atmosphere of Ho Chi Minh City together create a diverse and unforgettable travel experience. GlobeVibe has designed curated Vietnam journeys for Indian travelers. One of the signature itineraries is a 10-night, 11-day journey covering Ho Chi Minh City, the island paradise of Phu Quoc, the coastal beauty of Da Nang, the cultural capital Hanoi, and a memorable cruise through the limestone islands of Halong Bay. GlobeVibe provides end-to-end travel assistance including international flight bookings, hotels, detailed sightseeing experiences, visa guidance, and complete travel planning. The best time to visit Vietnam is generally between October and April, when the weather is pleasant across most regions of the country. Flights from major Indian cities such as Delhi or Mumbai to Vietnam are quite affordable. Return flights usually range between 25,000 rupees and 40,000 rupees, depending on the travel season and how early the tickets are booked. Indian travelers also require a Vietnam e-visa, which can be obtained online and costs about $25. Vietnam is also known for excellent value in accommodation. Comfortable 3-star hotels usually cost between 3,000 rupees and 6,000 rupees per night, while luxury 4 and 5-star hotels may range between 8,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees per night depending on the city and location. For a well-planned Vietnam journey including flights, hotels, and sightseeing, travelers from India typically spend around 1.2 lakh rupees to 1.8 lakh rupees per person. Some of the must-visit destinations in Vietnam begin with the coastal city of Da Nang, known for its beautiful beaches, scenic coastline, and impressive landmarks such as the famous Golden Bridge at Biena Hills, where giant stone hands appear to lift the bridge above the mountains. The city is also home to peaceful temples overlooking Vietnam's central coastline. Just a short drive from Da Nang lies the charming town of Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage destination famous for its glowing lantern streets, riverside cafes, and beautifully preserved historic architecture. From the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An, the journey then continues north toward Vietnam's historic capital, Hanoi. In the north, the capital city Hanoi blends centuries of history with lively street culture. The peaceful Hon Kim Lake, located in the heart of the city, offers a calm and historic atmosphere surrounded by temples and colonial architecture. Just a few streets away, Hanoi's bustling roads come alive with thousands of motorbikes weaving through the city, creating one of the most energetic urban scenes in Southeast Asia. The city is also home to the famous Hanoi Train Street, where trains pass incredibly close to homes and cafes, offering one of the most unique urban experiences in the world. And as evening arrives, travelers often gather at the lively Bear Street, a vibrant nightlife area filled with street food, music, and locals enjoying Hanoi's energetic night culture. Continuing through northern Vietnam, travelers arrive at the spectacular Halong Bay, where thousands of limestone islands rise dramatically from emerald waters, creating one of the most breathtaking landscapes in Southeast Asia. Exploring Halong Bay on a scenic cruise is truly one of the highlights of any Vietnam journey. Nearby, the tranquil river valleys of Tarang and offer unforgettable boat rides through caves, limestone cliffs, and lush green countryside. Further south lies the vibrant metropolis of Ho Chi Minh City, known for its dazzling skyline, energetic nightlife, and dynamic modern culture. And finally, the tropical island of Phu Quoc welcomes travelers with crystal clear waters, palm-fringed beaches, and exciting ocean adventures such as snorkeling and scuba diving, the perfect place to relax before concluding the journey. These unforgettable experiences across Vietnam are part of the curated journeys designed by GlobeVibe for Indian travelers, combining iconic destinations, carefully planned routing, and immersive sightseeing across the country. If you would like to experience this incredible Vietnam journey, contact GlobeVibe, specialists in designing curated international travel experiences for Indian travelers.